How you doing? Mike, Innovative Door, showing you custom wood doors we're doing here. Got 2 panels stacked on this one. These are pretty nice here. These are from California. We'll roll her up here. The wood's nice. The design's nice. These are well made. We did not supply these. The homeowner bought these and also bought these 85, 87s, but these doors are nice. 11 gauge hardware, nice struts, good top fixtures, 5/32 cables, 2 nicer springs, heavy duty track. Yeah, everything's nice here. We'll put these in for you. These are nice. They're going to stay in the back later, but the windows are nice. So if you want some custom wood doors, you don't want to put them in yourself, you want to buy them, we'll do that too. So go buy yourself some custom wood doors and call us up and we'll install them for you. 630-271-9343. www.innovativegaragedoor.com. Like us on Facebook, we'll like you. Thanks for watching our video. Custom wood doors that homeowner bought, and as always I encourage everyone to praise the Lord. Thank you for watching our custom wood door homeowner bought and reinstall them garage door video.